Okay, this question. In a study, a sample of n smartphones are chosen at random. It is found that probability that a certain smartphone is spoiled after 3 years is 40%. Okay, that means the probability of spoil is 40%, so for 0.4 lah. So we are talking about number of spoil, so it will become the P. So the Q should be 0.6. And the question is asking, given that the discrete random variable x represent the number of spoiled smartphone has been chosen, they give you probability x equal to 5 is 10 times probability x equal to 4. Okay, just follow the formula. You can find your n. So probability x equal to 5 is equal to 10 times probability x equals to 4. So what is x equal to 5? So do we know how many numbers? Okay, n numbers lah. Okay, total is n numbers. So nc5 and then 0.4 for the spoiled power 5 and 0.6 power n minus 5 equals to 10 times probability x equal to 4. So nc4 0.4 power 4 and 0.6 power n minus 6. Sorry, n minus 4. My bad. Okay, so you get something like this. Okay, if you can see, we have a combination problem and also power. Okay, we try to solve one by one. Okay, so let the NC5 be there. We don't want to disturb this for a while, or maybe we don't want to disturb now. Let's solve the numerical part first. And 0.6, okay, if you see a power m minus n, remember law of indices, a power m over a power n, right? We decompose this one into that. So what you get, 0.6 power n over 0.6 power 5. I can write like this lah. Okay, is equal to 10 times NC4, I don't want to disturb, 0.4 power 4, 0.6 power n divided by 0.6 power 4. Okay, and we try to solve the numerical part first. What I mean by numerical part, the one you have numbers lah. For example, this one, you can calculate. So what do you get? So if I settle this one, I get 32,243. Okay, 0.4 power 5 divided by 0.6 power 5. And then we have NC5 and 0.6 power n. Okay, same here. We solve the numerical part. 10, 0.4 power 4 and 0.6 divided. Okay, let's calculate this. When you do this, you should be getting 160 over 81 NC4 and then 0.6 n. Sorry, 0.6 n. Okay, since both left and right we have 0.6 n, we can draw one of them to the other side. For example, you draw here, you become 0.6 n, and then you can cancel, right? So we can cancel them. Okay, so we left with this. We need to solve this lah. The NC5 and NC4. Okay, let's move NC5 divided by, I bring this one to there. NC4 equal to 160 over 81 divided by 32 over 243. Okay, then what I get? If you solve this, you should be getting 15. Check for me. And then I think you should maybe kembangkan you punya NC5 and NC4 lah. So what is the NC5? You must know NCR is what? N factorial minus N minus R factorial and then R factorial kan. Cuba kita buat yang tu. Okay. So N factorial over N minus 5 factorial and then 5 factorial divided by N factorial N minus 4 factorial 4 factorial. Okay, jadi kita cuba terbalikkan yang ni. N minus 5 factorial 5 factorial times N minus 4 factorial. Terbalikkan pecahan. Factorial saya lupa tadi. 4 factorial over N factorial equal to 15. Jangan lupa. Okay, sekarang the N and N we cut. And then we try to solve this out. So we have N minus 4 and N minus 5. Remember, factorial is something you decreasing the terms. Product of decreasing terms. So N multiply N minus 1 multiply N minus 2 like that, right? Okay. And you wish to stop here, then you can put factorial. So I want to expand N minus 4 until it equal to N minus 5 factorial, then we can cancel. So N minus 4 factorial, if I kembangkan N minus 5 factorial, N minus 5, and then I can go on N minus 6, N minus 7, but I want it to be equal to N minus 5 so that I can cancel them. So I stop here. And then 4 factorial, let it be there. Over this part, N minus 5 factorial, you can put there. And then 5 factorial, you boleh kembang 5. Multiply 4, multiply 3, 2, 1, but I want to stop at 4 factorial so that I can cancel up and down. Cancel, 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 cancel. So tinggal apa sekarang? N minus 4 over 5 equal to 15. N minus 4 is equal to 75. N equal to 79. So once you get 79, N equal to 79. Okay, now state the mean of this study. So for part B, mean is equal to NP. So 79 times by the probability of success, which is 0.4. And you should be getting 31.6. It's a good question though, because many people panic when you are thinking, oh, I must use logarithm and combination, but unfortunately we can cancel the 0.6n, so left with combination lah. So you need to know the knowledge of combination to solve this. Okay, that's all, Shavin.